Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about Cash Building System Unlimited, which is a postcard mailing opportunity that I've been involved with now for over 6 months. And it's going really well. I haven't done a video in a while, so I wanted to just give you guys an update on how I've been doing with it, what it's all about. And today we're going to touch on one of the things that I'm getting asked a lot about this opportunity is where to get stamps discounted. So I'm going to go over that today for those who are looking to save $1 when it comes to your postcard mailing. You're going to want to watch this video to the end because I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to start making the most from this opportunity. So the postcard mailing opportunity that I feel is number one right now is Cash Building System Unlimited. For just $50, a one-time fee, you're going to get 200 postcards and leads in the mail, and you're going to be able to make unlimited $25 payments with this opportunity. When you decide to upgrade, it's going to just allow you to leverage the opportunity and make the most from it. So when you first get started, you are going to basically make your payment, which you can do by mail, or you can do it via online using a debit or credit card. When you come to this link, which is in the description below, you can just get started here, and it's going to take you down here where you're going to be able to make a payment. Again, for $50, a one-time fee, you're going to get your 200 postcards, 200 leads, and now you're able to receive unlimited $25 payments. We also have the higher levels, which is a $100 level, a $300 level, and a $500 level. These are the most popular levels that people come in at when they upgrade. You can upgrade right away. When you upgrade, that's going to allow you to receive an additional package of 200 additional postcards and 200 additional leads. So when you upgrade, you have two packages coming to you, one for the $50 level and another package for the upgrade level. Now, with the $100 level, you're going to be able to get $70 from each person that comes in at that level. At the $300 level, you're going to get unlimited $150 payments for each person that comes in at the $300 level. And then at the $500 level, you're going to receive $350 payments for each person that comes in at that level. If you decide to come in at the $500 level, you're going to receive everything below it. Now, one of the things I want to just touch on that's very important, you have to join at phase one first. You can upgrade right away, but you have to start at the $50 level. Once you sign up at the $50 level, you can come back and hit this button to upgrade at any one of these levels. If you decide that you want to join at a higher level than this, all you need to do is reach out to me directly, and I will give you the information to join at level 3 through 8, which is going to allow you to make even more money, and you're going to be able to get more postcards, leads in the mail. So with this opportunity, these are the different levels that we have at phase 2. And this is the payouts that you're going to receive when someone joins in at that level. As your team starts to send out their postcards, you're going to be in position number 2. And these are the payments that you're going to receive at position number 2. The company takes out a small monitoring fee of 10%, which is not a lot. Okay. For phase 2, you're going to be able to get fast start bonuses, spillover bonuses, upgrade bonuses, and a residual income, which is what I love about this opportunity. And people, again, can join just by sending this card in with cash or money orders directly to the company and start to receive their postcards and leads in the mail. You're going to get your postcards in 7 to 10 business days. Do you need a P.o Box? No, it is recommended. But if you are safe getting cash in the mail at home, you have a mailbox that is locked up where people will go into your mail, you can use your home mailing address. Okay. So for the $50 level, again, 200 postcards, 200 leads, you're going to get information for discounted postage, private offline marketing strategies. We have trainings that are coming up from April 5th through the 9th. And we also have the training replays that I have done to show you how to leverage this opportunity and make the most from it. And then we have an exclusive Facebook group for paid members only. Now, if you are looking for discounted stamps, and let's just say you're already in this opportunity and you don't know where to go, I recommend eBay. Okay. Now, when you go on eBay, for my team, we have our own discounted postage stamps that we use, a company that we go through where we get it discounted. If you are looking to compare prices and you want to know what's out there, if you go to eBay, you can type in postcard stamps. And this is what I look for. Okay. So this is what I used to do when I used to purchase a lot of stamps, because I used to get them in bulk. And what you have to do is just basically go in here and put in postcard stamps. You're going to wait for the information to come up. And when it comes up, what you want to look for is you want to buy coils. Okay. So either a full sheet or a coil. That's going to give you like 100, which is a really good start. And you want to compare prices. So one of the things that I look for is I make sure that it's a top rated seller, because you don't want to come here and buy from someone that has a brand new account that may not know what they're doing, or it may not even be a person or a real account. So always go with top rated sellers. And I go with free 3-day shipping, free shipping. And I want to get my stuff as quickly as possible. So we're like right here, you could get 20 coral postcard stamps for $12.50. And what I would do is just hit this heart to save it, so that you can start to compare the prices for the ones that you have saved. Okay. So then I would go down here. And again, I'm just looking for people who are top rated sellers. And I want to definitely get free shipping, 3-day shipping. Okay. Even if it's 5 days, that's fine. As long as it's free shipping, that's all that really matters. So right here, it's not really showing me much. So what I'm going to do is go back up, and I'm going to put in postcard stamps roll, and see what comes up with that. Again, you're just putting in information right into the search engine. If nothing comes up, you can go back and type in something else. Postcard stamps forever. We can look up that one and see what comes up. So here we have another buyer, seller. Here, top rated seller, $14.95. And they have here 20 stamps as well. And then again, I would just be comparing and seeing what's out there. Right here, we have some forever stamps for $61. $12 for shipping, but it's a pretty good deal. Let's just click on it and see what comes up. So right here, 100% positive feedback, 232 reviews. I would definitely go with this if I was looking to buy them in bulk. So for $61 here, you're going to get a roll of 100. And these are forever stamps. So you can use these postcard stamps for your postcards. And again, it's a $12 shipping fee, but the price is pretty decent for 100. So this is, again, what I would be looking for. Here we have some, let's see here. Let's see if these are postcard stamps here. And remember, you want postcard stamps, because if you get a regular stamp, it's more expensive than a postcard stamp. Okay, postcard stamps are cheaper than the regular stamps that you would get to put on an envelope. So we don't want a regular stamp, we want a postcard stamp. Okay, so here we have, this is a forever stamp. I'm not for sure if this is postcard or not. Let's see here. We can read this information down here. I don't think this is postcard, but let's keep looking. All you have to do is go back, and then you can continue to look to see what's available. So, and that's another thing you want to think about. Do you want a roll or do you want sheets, right? How many do you want to get? And that's all important, because that's how you're going to figure out how much you're going to spend. Okay. So again, I would just go through and look for the top sellers. Just by clicking on the information, you'll be able to go in and see more information about the seller. Like, this person has a 99.6% positive feedback, over 7,000 reviews. This would be something that I would buy. right? It's $13.50. And you can add it to the watch list or save it for later just to do a comparison. Also gives you the delivery date. They have a 60-day return date where you can return it if you need to. But again, this is a place where I would go to compare pricing and also get my stamps in bulk. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys that information. I think that this is important because you want to minimize your costs when it comes to sending out your postcards, and this is the best way to do so. So again, this is for Cash Building System Unlimited. It's been around going on 2 years now. It is making a lot of noise. A lot of people are joining this opportunity, and it's a great newbie friendly opportunity. So if you want more information, in the description below will be the link to get started and also information to reach out to me if you have any questions. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you in another video. Have a great day.